Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin representing Team Paul Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to do the backwards figure eight. So before you have this, it's really important that you have the forward figure eight because this is an upgrade from that move. So what you're going to do from here, you're going to start off with your chucks closed. You're going to bring your one of your hands. You're going to start off, I like to start off with my right hand, that's my dominant side. I'm going to bring my chuck up to the front, right down the middle. I come all the way to the back. Now I come down, bring it through the middle again, and I come all the way back to the other side. The biggest mistake that people make is not going all the way to the back. So a lot of people, they'll come up and they kind of just go to the side like this. It's so important that you bring the chuck all the way to the back. So from the beginning, comes down the middle, bring it up, through, and the chuck comes up through the middle and to the back, always coming up through the middle. Once you have this down, which may take a little bit of time to get smoothly, you're going to open up the chuck and do the exact same motion, remembering to keep the chuck going all the way to the back, not to the side like this. So all the way to the back. Now once you've got that, you can start to bend the elbow, still keeping the chuck to the back, and eventually you bring it just to your wrist. Just like that. Once you have one side, you always want to make sure that you have it on the other side as well. So bring it through the middle, all the way to the back, through the middle, all the way to the other side. Once you've got this down, open up the chucks, keeping that backwards X. Now you make it smaller by bending the elbow, but still keep the chuck going to the back until it's only in the wrist. Boom. Now once you have that, you're going to try to do it on both sides. Now you can't do it slowly on both sides, so you're going to have to make sure that you have it pretty proficiently on each side. So once you've got that down, I would say about 10 seconds on each side, then you can start to do it with both hands at the same time. Now it's important that you have both chucks going out, in, rather than like left, right, left, right. That's something that some people get confused on. So make sure the chucks go out, in, and you can speed it up from there. And that is the backwards figure eight.